Hey guys, this is Neil and today I'm taking a look at Anker's 7-in-1 Premium USB-C hub. The hub, which is designed for use with USB Type-C laptops such as Chromebooks or Apple's MacBook lineup, comes with 3 USB ports, SD card capability, HDMI output and power delivery charging, making it ideal for devices where ports are limited. USB read and write speeds are excellent, with large file transfers, depending on drive type, completing in seconds. The same can be said for SD and micro SD cards, but if you want to unlock the full speed potential of the hub, you will need a card that meets ultra high speed class 1 standards. HDMI connection is quick and painless, with fast detection and playback response. Perfect for use with projectors or TVs where more screen real estate is required for your videos or presentations. And with the included power delivery port, you have the ability to charge not only your laptop, but also power connected devices such as storage drives or mouse and keyboard. The compact design and included travel pouch makes the hub small enough to fit in your pocket or laptop bag for on-the-go use. And the 4-inch cable design makes access to remaining ports hassle-free. With its solid aluminium construction and a finish echoing Apple's space grey colour, the 7-in-1 hub looks and feels every bit a premium product. At just short of £60, the price is similar to other 7-in-1 offerings on the market, and compared to equivalent adapters from Apple, you make quite a saving, as well as gaining 6 months additional warranty. While most connections are catered for, sadly Ethernet is not one of them. If Ethernet is a must, you may want to consider Anker's 5-in-1 Premium Hub. Otherwise, on the whole, the 7-in-1 Premium USB-C hub is a sound investment for home users or professionals alike. Thanks for watching and feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below.